morning, dear students. Welcome back to online session chemistry class. In previous video, we have to discuss important chemical formulas. That important chemical formulas based on gases and acids we have discussed in previous session. So today's session we need to discuss chemical formulas of bases and chemical formulas of salts and metallic oxides and chemical formula of metallic chlorides and how to write chemical formula based on divalent ions. So let us see the chemical formula of bases. So potassium hydroxide chemical formula is KOH. So potassium hydroxide is a basic substance. Sodium hydroxide chemical formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide chemical formula is NaOH. Calcium hydroxide CaOH2 chemical formula for calcium hydroxide is CaOH2. So these are contain bases. So bases chemical formulas are potassium hydroxide is KOH, sodium hydroxide is NaOH, calcium hydroxide is CaOH taken twice. Next one, salts. So salts are generally, you know that some salts like we are using some white salt, crystal of salt. The type of salts are like sodium chloride NaCl. So that also one of the salt. In that we discuss the first one is copper sulfate. Chemical formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4. Chemical formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4. And sodium chloride NaCl, potassium nitrate KNO3. Potassium nitrate is KNO3. Sodium chloride generally we are using in daily life like white salt. So sodium chloride is a white salt. Potassium nitrate KNO3. So these present in salts and chemical formulas. So bases and salts. Next one, metallic oxides and divalent ions. Metallic oxides and metallic chloride. Important chemical formula of metallic oxides of divalent metals. So here we are taking divalent metals like examples. Calcium based on valency is 2, belongs to secondary group element. So ion, the valency will be present 2. Copper also valency is 2. So that is the reason we are taking divalent metals. So all valencies are present in 2. Metals generally react with oxygen. So metals generally react with oxygen to form metal oxides. Metal oxides. So first of all we take calcium, valency is 2. So that is a positive charge. Plus means losing of electrons. Valency of oxide. So oxide means valency means 2 minus. Formula. Calcium react with the oxygen. So calcium Ca react with oxygen to form calcium oxide. Already you know that how to write chemical formula of the elements because of we have to already discuss how to write chemical formula based on valencies. It is same way ion valency will be present 2 plus valency of oxide O2 minus. So ion is react with oxygen to form ferrous oxide. So next one copper Cu. So valency of copper is 2 plus valency of oxide O2 minus. So copper Cu, the chemical formula for copper oxide CuO. CuO. So name of the compounds. Already we discussed the formula of the compounds. So what is the name of the compounds? So like example calcium oxide. CaO is a calcium oxide. Chemical formula is CaO name of the compound is calcium oxide, and formula FeO, so ion 2 oxide, ion 2 oxide. Next one, copper oxide, so copper 2 oxide. So why here we mention 2 iron 2 oxide and iron copper 2 oxide? Iron contain two variable valencies, so that means 2 and 3. So lower valency is known as a ferrous and higher valency is ferric. So that's the reason iron contain two variable valencies. We are taking only so lower valence. That means Fe. Why? Because here 2 plus. Already we take divalent ions. So ion 2 plus means these are lower valency. 3 plus means higher valency. So this that we discuss in next classes. So here calcium oxide formula CaO, iron 2 oxide FeO, and copper 2. Copper also same way. Copper, the variable valence is 2 and 1 and 2. So copper contain 1 and 2. So valences will be present 2 plus, so that means 1 plus. The valency of copper 2, so that way copper 2 oxide, chemical formula CuO. So these are the method to find the metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides. So these are the topic. And next class, next one, metal react with chlorine to form metal chloride. So let us discuss that. Next one, metallic chlorides of divalent metals. So divalent metals same as well. Before we take calcium, iron, copper. So calcium formula Ca, iron Fe, copper Cu. So valency of copper and valency of chloride formula and name of the compound. So in this way, we have to discuss valency of copper is calcium, not copper, C2 plus. So valence of chlorine, so valence only 1, Cl minus. Formula Ca, formula of calcium chloride CaCl2. So we know that how to write the chemical formula. In previous videos already we discussed. So based on valencies, formula of calcium chloride CaCl2. So ion, same valency 2 plus. So in that valency of chloride, so here also same way, valency of chlorine is 1. Formula of ion FeCl2, FeCl2, and copper valency 2 plus. Chlorine contains Cl minus. Formula of copper chloride CuCl2. So name of the compound. Next one. First one is calcium chloride. Name of the compound is calcium chloride, and ion. Next one, ion 2 chloride. Next one, copper 2 chloride. Copper 2 chloride. So in this method, metals react with chlorines. Metal react with chlorine to form metal chlorides. So that means calcium is react with chlorine to form calcium chloride. Chemical formula CaCl2. Ion is react with chlorine to form iron chloride, and iron 2 chloride. Chemical name of the compound. Copper react with chlorine to form copper 2 chloride. So formulas are copper 2 chloride CuCl2, iron 2 chloride FeCl2, and calcium chloride CaCl2. So these are the important chemical formulas based on this gases, acid, bases, salts, and also metals react with oxygen, and metals react with chlorides. So these are the simple way to learn how to write chemical formula and importance of chemical formulas. Thank you, children.